Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again. No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar? This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar. What is this yar? No, you cannot address the chair by saying yar. No. Please take back your words. You can't say chair yar. No. You cannot. No. Honorable LOP standing on his feet to speak. You are not allowing him to speak. माननीय राहुल गांधी जी आप बोलिएगा. No. Please allow him to speak. 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 No.
चेयरमैन साहब यार कह दिया तो क्या हो गया? आफत आ गई है?
No, not correct. No. There is a quorum. Not correct. That is not true. There should be a quorum of the House. There should be a quorum of the House. There should be respect to the chair. You should know how to behave. No, not correct.